तात्पुरते सर पण मला लागत नाही.
मला BNC to BNC लागेल आणि BNC to crocodile लागेल.
BNC to BNC इथे.
द्या इथे. आणि RK कोण आहे?
This is a very short demonstration, and in this demonstration I am going to explain how to obtain NI visa. This NI visa is very important in order to work MIT3 and MIT6 software. So the detailed installation procedure is given in the manual, page number H2, H3, H4 and H5. But some things are maybe engineers may find it difficult how to obtain NI visa in order to operate MIT3 and MIT6, that I am going to show in this video demonstration. The PC that I am using, the operating system that I am using is Windows 7 32-bit operating system, and our software will work only in either in XP or in Windows 7. Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10. At present, we have not modified to work. How to work? How to get an NI visa? From step number 12. Installation procedure from CDH2, page number H3. Now I'm going to step number 12. First of all, what we have to do? We have to go to my computer, right click, and properties. And in properties, we have got device manager. Under device manager, we will get this many options. You have to click human interface devices. Under human interface devices, we will get two things, that is HID compliant device, USB input device. Now in this USB input device, you have to right click and you have to click on update driver software. This is very important. You will get a window, update driver software, USB input device. This is the window we will get, and in this window we have to click on browse my computer for driver software. Now this is the window we will get after clicking. So this is the window, update driver software, USB input device. You have to click again on let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. This list will show installed driver software compatible with the device and all driver software the same category as the device. So you have to just click it. You will get this window, again update driver software, USB input device. So you have to just select simple HID device demo. There are under USB input device. Select simple HID device demo like this and click on next. So you will get Windows has successfully updated your driver software. Windows has finished installing the driver software for this device. Close the window and here you will obtain, that is on device manager window, which we have clicked earlier, which we have brought earlier. There you will get NI visa USB devices. Under that a simple HID device demo will also come. These are very important steps. Engineers may find it difficult. So for that purpose we have created this demonstration, that is from step number 12 onwards, page number H3 to H5. After that it is very simple, and please don't forget one thing that is already given in the manual, that you have to connect the USB to IO module. USB IO module you have to connect to the USB end of the PC. Before the starting of this step, I have connected to the USB port, and after that we have to follow these simple steps. Correct? In this way I have completed how to create NI visa USB devices in the device manager. Without this NI visa USB devices option, if it doesn't come, then MIT3 and MIT6 software will not work. Correct? So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.